If your right click not working on Windows 10 or Windows 11, whether it's a desktop or a laptop, you're unable to do the right click, we're going to fix it by only one very simple step. And the step is to click on the search icon and type CMD, and you will find the command prompt and run as administrator and say yes. Now here we need to mention a command. We actually need to restart the explorer.exe. So here I'll mention this command in the description, and you can simply copy it, task kill space F/F space /im space explorer.exe and hit enter. So in this manner we have stopped the explorer.exe. Now we need to start it. Those type start space explorer.exe and hit enter. The moment you do that, your window will come back again. You can also restart the computer, but if you do the start space explorer.exe, that will help. And see if your right click has started working. If it doesn't, then one more bonus step is to open the same command prompt by searching CMD, run as administrator, and type sfc space /scan now. Now this will repair your computer if there is any glitches, any corruption in your computer. This will begin the system scan. This is called System File Checker tool provided by Microsoft. So I will mention this command in the description, and you just need to hit enter. And this will fix more issues, whatever the issues you had in your computer. So basically it will make it better and repair it. Right, so it's really good for the computer. Once it is done, restart it, and I'm sure this will work for you. And if this works, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I really need your support. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.